Pasture damage is actually a bit of an iceberg. It's actually what we don't see, what's happening in the soil, the damage we do there, that's the big problem. And some research in Massey a while ago has shown that significant pasture damage can reduce pasture production by 40% or more in the coming 12 months. So minimising that is really important. Minimising is the key word here, because if you've got a couple of weeks of wet weather and you've got a feed stock, you're going to have to do damage. So how do you attack that? And the way to do it is a plan. And that plan for your individual farm should consider 3 different levels. So firstly, it's what we do at a strategic level. Can we use a feed pad? Can we on-off graze onto races? Drainage? Do we have parts of the farm that we can use wet weather? It's really looking at a farm systems level about how we set up prior to the wet weather. Secondly, is what we do at a management level. It's the daily on-off grazing or spreading stock out at a low density across the pasture to minimise damage. Or can we move them to a part of the farm that's set up with a lighter soil type? And thirdly, at a pasture level, are the things that we can sow that we can minimise damage. For ryegrass, denser, fine ryegrasses tend to keep the hooves above the ground and lessen the damage. And also at a pasture level, it's how we repair that damage with the likes of undersowing. And the last thing I'd say is to share this plan with someone trusted, a neighbour, your local reseller. At Barrenbrook, we're here to help if you need us. So that'll strengthen the plan, make sure you're on the right track, but it'll also give you some really neat ideas that might really help on your property. So in summary, what you want to do is work through a plan with someone you trust and look at 3 levels: strategy, management and pasture. And that way you'll have the best plan to minimise the damage on your property.